Now, sixth type in exercise 1.2, differentiate the following with respect to x. Here first example is tan inverse of log x. To find the derivative of this function, first of all we will write y equal to tan inverse of log x. We have to use here complete formula in terms of inverse trigonometric function. Now we have to differentiate with respect to x. Therefore, derivative of y with respect to x. What is formula for tan inverse of x? Standard formula is 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Formula for derivative of tan inverse of x. What is formula for tan inverse of f of x? Formula for tan inverse of f of x is 1 divided by 1 plus f of x square into f dash of x. This is formula for derivative of tan inverse of f of x. Now we will use this complete formula to prove the result. Now here by using this complete formula we get 1 divided by 1 plus f of x square means here f of x is log x. 1 divided by 1 plus f of x square into d by dx of what is f of x? Log x. Now derivative of log x is 1 divided by x. Therefore we get 1 divided by x into in bracket 1 plus log x bracket square bracket close. This will be required derivative of y with respect to x. This is complete solution for this expression. Now our second example is cosec inverse of e raised to minus x. To find the solution of this expression, first of all we will consider that y equal to cosec inverse of e raised to minus x. Now we can direct differentiate with respect to x. Therefore we get derivative of y with respect to x as what is derivative of cosec inverse of f of x? Derivative of cosec inverse of f of x is negative. It will be minus 1 divided by f of x into in root sign f of x square minus 1 into d by dx of e raised to minus x. Because the standard formula for cosec inverse of x is 1 minus 1 by x into root sin x square minus 1. Therefore same formula for congruent function is here. Therefore derivative of y with respect to x is equal to minus 1 divided by e raised to minus x in root sin e raised to minus 2x minus 1. Derivative of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x as it is into again d by dx of minus x. d by dx of minus x. e raised to minus x will be cancelled and derivative of minus x is minus 1. Therefore we get minus 1 divided by in root sin e raised to minus 2x minus 1 and derivative of minus x is minus 1 minus minus plus 1. Therefore we get 1 divided by in root sin. Here we can negative term can be written in terms of positive as 1 divided by e raised to 2x minus 1 minus 1. This will be our required derivative of y with respect to x. Now we write this in simplified form as expression in denominator. First of all we will write in root sign 1 minus e raised to 2x. 1 minus e raised to 2x and term in denominator is e raised to 2x and square root of e raised to 2x. Square root of e raised to 2x. e raised to 2x means we can write this expression as e raised to x bracket square and square root of e raised to 2x will be e raised to x and this will be term in numerator. Therefore we get here e raised to x as term in numerator divided by this expression. this will be required derivative of y with respect to x. That is required derivative of y with respect to x is e raised to x divided by root sin 1 minus e raised to 2x. For third example in sixth type is cot inverse of x cube. We will differentiate this function with respect to x. First of all, we will write let y equal to cot inverse of x cube. Here we will differentiate above function with respect to x. Therefore, we will get di by dx as derivative of cot inverse of x is minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Derivative of cot inverse of x. Derivative of cot inverse of f of x minus 1 divided by 1 plus f of x square into f dash of x. This formula we will use here. Now, therefore, their differentiation will be minus 1 divided by 1 plus f of x is x cube is here f of x. Minus 1 divided by 1 plus f of x square into d by dx of f of x is x cube. Now, derivative of x cube, we will use standard formula for x raised to n for numerator. Therefore, we get here 3 into x square as derivative of x cube. Minus sign is here divided by 1 plus x raised to 6. A raised to m raised to n is a raised to m into n. 3 into 2 is 6. This is required derivative of y with respect to x. Like third example, we will solve fourth example. Third example, cot inverse of f of x. This formula we have used. Same formula will be used here. Now, first of all, we have written y equal to cot inverse of 4 raised to x as it is. We will directly differentiate this function. Therefore, we get di by dx. This answer will be also negative. Minus 1 divided by 1 plus 4 raised to x bracket square into d by dx of 4 raised to x. What is derivative of 4 raised to x? Derivative of 4 raised to x is 4 raised to x into log 4. Minus sign there and 1 plus a raised to m raised to n. We will use this formula. Therefore, we get 4 raised to 2x, and this will be our required derivative of y with respect to x. Now, our fifth example is tan inverse of root x. In similar manner, we can solve this example by using formula tan inverse of f of x. Now, differentiate or differentiating with respect to x. We will get derivative of y with respect to x as what is derivative of tan inverse of f of x? Derivative of tan inverse of f of x is 1 divided by 1 plus f of x square and d by dx of f of x. 1 divided by 1 plus f of x square and d by dx of f of x, because f of x is here root x. Now, dy by dx is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus what is square of root x? Square of root x is x. What is derivative of root x? Derivative of root x is 1 divided by 2 root x. Therefore, our required answer will be 1 divided by 2 into root x in bracket 1 plus x. This will be required derivative of y with respect to x, that is derivative of tan inverse of root x. Now, sixth number example is sin inverse of in root sin 1 plus x square divided by 2. Now, first of all, as usual manner, we will write y equal to sin inverse of in root sin 1 plus x square divided by 2 Now in this example also we will direct differentiate with respect to x. Therefore derivative of y with respect to x we will calculate here. Now here we have to use sin inverse of f of x. What is the derivative of sin inverse of f of x? 1 divided by root sin 1 minus f of x square into f dash of x. First of all we will use this formula here. Now derivative will be 1 divided by in root sin 1 minus, what is f of x here? F of x is expression in root sin. Therefore here we get root 1 plus x square divided by 2 bracket square into d by dx of in root sin 1 plus x square divided by 2. Again derivative of f of x. Now here simplified form of expression in denominator in root sin is 1 minus, what is square of this root expression? Here we can write root sin get cancelled 1 plus x square divided by 2. And to write derivative of this expression, first of all we will take 1 by root 2 constant outside the derivative expression. Therefore in derivative we will get only this expression. Only this expression. Now again we can simplify this expression. Therefore derivative of y with respect to x we can written as expression in root sin will be 2 minus 1 minus x square, 2 minus x minus x square. Font size is short, we will write font size little bigger. Okay. In root sin 2 minus 1 minus x square divided by 2. This term is in root sin. This will be numerator. Therefore this will be first term. Now 1 divided by root 2 as it is. Now derivative of root f of x, we have to use formula here, and answer will be again 1 divided by 2 into in root sin 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square. Again derivative of expression in root sin is 2x. Therefore our next term will be 2x. Now root 2 will get cancelled. 2 will be get cancelled. Therefore here we get x divided by 2 cancelled, root 2 cancelled, x divided by first term in root sin will be 2 minus 1 minus x square. Second term in root sin will be 1 plus x square. Now we can combine these terms in single root sin, and we can write this expression as in first bracket 1 minus x square, in second bracket 1 plus x square. Therefore again in root sin expression will be simplified as by using a plus b into a minus formula as 1 minus x raised to 4. This will be required derivative of y with respect to x, because a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Can use this formula. This is complete solution of this example number 6. Now our same example is cos inverse of 1 minus x square. First of all we will write given function as it is, then we will direct differentiate with respect to x. Now in all these examples in 6 type, here given functions are directly differentiated with respect to x, and by using composite formula we can find the required answer. Therefore derivative of y with respect to x our direct derivative will be by using cos inverse of f of x formula. What is cos inverse of x derivative? Minus 1 divided by in root sign 1 minus f of x square into f dash of x. Now see this formula, we can differentiate this function. Minus 1 divided by in root sign 1 minus, what is f of x here? F of x is this bracketed term, that is 1 minus x square is f of x. 1 minus f of x square into dy dx of f of x means 1 minus x square is here f of x. Now minus 1 divided by expression in root sign can be simplified as 1 minus, what is the expansion of 1 minus x square bracket square. We have to use here formula a minus b bracket square. That is a minus b bracket square means a square. A in case of a, here 1 is there, therefore 1 square 1 minus 2 into x square is there. Now plus square of x square is x raised to 4. This will be term in root sign. What is derivative of 1? Derivative of 1 is 0. Derivative of x square is 2x. This will be differentiation. Now we will simplify this expression. Minus 2x is a numerator, minus minus plus, therefore numerator term will be 2x divided by expression in root sign 1 minus 1 minus minus plus 2x square minus x raised to 4. Now here 2x divided by in root sign 2x square minus x raised to 4. Now x square can take common here. If we take x square common, then out of root sign x will be there, and in expression in root sign will be 2 minus x square. Now if this is not understand to you, then we will write this expression in bracket as root sign x square into in bracket 2 minus x square. Now see here, x square we take common here, 2 minus x square is there, and out of root sign you can write here as x. Now x will get cancelled, therefore we get 2 divided by in root sign 2 minus x square. This will be required derivative of y with respect to x for 7th example. Now for 8 number example in 6th type is sin inverse of x raised to 3 by 2. We will find the solution of this example. Let y equal to sin inverse of x raised to 3 by 2. Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx. What is derivative of sin inverse of f of x? 1 divided by in root sign 1 minus f of x square x raised to 3 by 2 bracket square. Here f of x is x raised to 3 by 2. Therefore 1 divided by in root sign 1 minus f of x square into f dash of x, e by dx of f of x, x raised to 3 by 2. See here, I will write here formula of sin inverse of f of x. 1 divided by root sign 1 minus f of x square into d by dx of f of x means f dash of x. Now compare this. F of x is x raised to 3 by 2. 1 divided by root sign 1 minus f of x square. D by dx of f of x is x raised to 3 by 2. Now 1 divided by root sign 1 minus x raised to 3 by 2 square means a raised to m raised to n means a raised to m into n, and 3 by 2 into 2, 2 will be get cancelled. Therefore power of x will be x raised to 3. Now this will be first term. Now second term, derivative of x raised to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 into x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1 means x raised to 1 by 2. Now we can write this answer in simplified form as 3 by 2, 3 divided by 2. Now x raised to 1 by 2 means root x, and term denominator is in root sign 1 minus x cube is there. In root sign 1 minus x cube is there, 3 by 2 multiplication constant, and when x raised to 1 by 2 means root x. This will be required derivative of 8 number example. Now our ninth example is cos cube of cos inverse of x cube. Now this example is different from all 8 example in this type, because in this example we will not directly differentiate this example. To find derivative we will use the formula cos inverse of x. If this type of expression is there, then we can write this formula to simplify this type of expression. Now first of all we will write given expression as it is y equal to cos cube of cos inverse of x cube. We will rearrange this term. Power of cosine is 3, therefore single power to all expression we will write here. Single power to all expression. Power of cosine is 3. Now by using this formula, this expression will be minimized as x cube raised to 3. What will be the reason for this expression? Cos inverse of, suppose y we will write here, will be equal to y, or y is also here, we will write here k. This will be k. Now by using this formula we have simplified our expression. Now what is our simplified form of y? X raised to 3 raised to 3 means x raised to 9. This will be value of y, and differentiating with respect to x, we will get required derivative of y with respect to x. Very easy formula is here, 9 into x raised to 8. This will be required derivative of y with respect to x of 9th example. Like 9th example, we can solve 10 number example without direct differentiate. We will again use here formula sin inverse of x is there, then you can write this expression as x. Now first of all, for solving the example we will write given expression as y equal to sin raised to 4 of sin inverse of root x. Then power for sin we will write to curly bracket, power of sin is 4, and by using this formula sin of sin inverse of root x, or simplified form will be root x raised to 4. We will write reason here, sin of sin inverse of k is equal to k. Now what will be 4th power of root x? It will be 4th power of root x. What will be 4th power of root x? Square of root x is x, and 4th power of root x is x square. Now this will be simplified form for y. Now we will differentiate above function with respect to x. Therefore our Final answer will be dy by dx equal to derivative of x square. Very simple formula. Derivative of x square is 2x. This will be solution for 10th example.